faculty members. Everybody, you may want to turn on your camera para talagang mas interactive tayo at least for the last time. Okay, next. For the national anthem, let's call in Mr. Gary Sison. Let us all stand singing the national anthem. Okay? Okay na, hindi na natin tutugtugin ang national anthem. Okay? Remain standing for the invocation. Jordan Dalimo. You may now be seated. Right. For the welcome remarks, let us all welcome Ms. Jedeline Diosa. After the welcome remarks, everybody, clap. You may now be seated. To introduce our guest speaker, let's call in Ms. Marieta de Guzman. Okay. Let us all welcome our guest speaker, Dr. Nicanor San Gabriel. Then, thank you, Dr. San Gabriel, for that inspiring message. Then, for the awarding of plaque of appreciation, let's call in Dr. Mariting Ilagan. The presentation of candidates for graduation, let us call in Ms. Gladys Garudo. Mr. President, I have the honor and privilege to present to you 124 candidates for graduation in Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. May everybody stand. Walang clap yet, tatayo lang kayo. For the conferment, let us call in the school president, Dr. Francis Ryan P. Zarate. The power vested in me by the Department of Education and Commission on Higher Education, I now confer all of you graduates. All right, everybody, you turn your tassel from left to right. Congratulations!
Hindi sabay-sabay. Sige.
So, for the moment that you have been waiting for, the awarding
Yan na si Ate Janet. Huwag sabay-sabay. Pwede ka na sumunod.
by our president,
Janet.
etc. Okay. So, once again, thank you, graduates. Okay. You may remain in your seats as we call in Mr. So-and-so, Ms. So-and-so for the words of gratitude. After the words of gratitude, graduates, please stand for the pledge of
Ayan
loyalty.
sa'yo. Alam, baka maluwang sa'yo.
Please raise your
Tama
right
lang
hand.
sa akin. Siyempre, malaki ako sa'yo, no?
I solemnly swear,
Mo. Doble mo naman.
etc.
Ang ganda niyan.
So help me God. Now,
Siya.
okay. Acknowledgement will be read,
Na bato.
then access him. Everybody stand,
Malaki?
sing of the access hymn led by Mr. Gary Sison. Access hymn, please. Natin din.
Hindi siya halatang halata, Ate Lord. Tama lang.
Okay, sumunod ka na kami sa mga kapatid.
Sabi, sa meron daw po. Ang ganda. At isang nag-order ng tatlo.
Hindi po ka nabi.
Iba ang lang.
Saba po, saba.
Ano siya?
Parang Ang din po.
Paano? Ito at isang blue, white, green. Sa anak daw niya. Ibang style. Meron din po ate o. Maraming nga. Saka ano yan? Galing pa ng ibang bansa yan. Hindi dito. Kasi,
Remind ko lang, naka-list po tayo. List na. Alright. So, for the announcement, then, next session. Dear parents, guardians, guests, thank you for attending this 42nd lesson exercises with access to computer technical functions. All graduates should exit on the right. We will just mention the right wing shower.
Sino yung mga nandiyan?
So with that, pleasant morning to one and all. Thank you. Right, so we're done with our rehearsal.
Ano sa graduation niya?
I hope that when we see each other at PICC, everything will be as practice and smooth ang lahat. Alright? So, thank you so much. And once again, congratulations to everybody. See you at PICC. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, paano sa ticket, ma'am?
The tickets will be sa campus ninyo kayo magtatanong. I-announce ng campus ninyo.
Ma'am, excuse po, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse po.
Yes.
Ma'am, mga what time kaya matatapos, ma'am, yung graduation?
We intend to finish before lunch.
Thank you po.
Kasi hanggang umaga lang naman ng ating staff. We are also strict with the time. We cannot do it.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Oh, gusto mo? Sabi mo, mas may itim, balat lang daw yan, dakta.
Magkano isa, te?
3 piso.
Hello po.
Tigilan tayo.
Yes.
Ma'am, tanong ko lang, yung about sa mga kasama namin, yung suot po nila, may mga bawal din po ba?
Depende. Basta yung dimension ko, yun ang po. What do you mean kasama? If there are religious restrictions, there are no problem with that. Pregnant, wala nang problema.
Yung sa mga pamilya po din,
Sabi mo, sawa ka na sa sabi mo.
sa mga suot nila.
Sabi ko, makakabili.
What is appropriate? Siyempre, kung formal yun, nababagay sa okasyon. Hindi tayo pwede magdikta about that. What is appropriate for the occasion? Kayo na po ang mag-iisip. Okay? So,
Okay po.
okay, so thank you so much. You may now leave the room. Thank you.
Hello po. Hello?
Asa kinuha mo? Ayan. Yan, yan yung dinagalan. O, pinatanggal ko dalawang hilot. Oo. Ito pwede na siguro kainin. Ba't makalawang? Balat lang ito. Sabi siya.
Morning.